Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will provide the information about WYZE Cam V4 setup and installation guide. Watch the complete video and subscribe my channel for future updates. To start the setup process, you need to download the WYZE app on your smartphone. You can download the app from App Store and Google Play Store. After download, install the app. If you have the WYZE account, then log in the app, otherwise tap Create an account, enter your email and a strong password, then verify your account via the code sent to your email. You can also sign up using Google or Apple ID. After this, you'll follow prompts to finish setup. Open the WYZE app and tap the Add Device option. Now, choose the Cameras option. For the WYZE Cam V4, you need to tap on the Pan and Tilt cameras. Now, choose WYZE Cam V4 option. Check the adapters and tap Next. Then tap the Begin Setup and then Next. Now your app is searching for the device. After pairing, select your network and type the Wi-Fi password. Follow the app instructions to complete the setup. If you are not able to set up your WYZE Cam V4, then you need to make sure the camera and phone or tablet are closer to the router's network during setup. After setup, you can change the placement of your camera. You can also forget the Wi-Fi network on your phone or tablet and then rejoin the Wi-Fi network. Then try setting up the WYZE Cam again. If you can't able to set up WYZE Cam V4 and need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.